Wasting time on talking about the time we wasted. Wasting our lives, but tell me you won't go about the things we never have said or reached them. And just cause it seems so far doesn't mean you won't found love. And it's better leave the present instead of washing the tears off. I'll never leave past where me you keep the secrets. Not easy, people are not made for live in peace and happiness. Where did you go? Wasting time on talking about the wounds. I'm out of breath now. But hey, that's how it goes. And I'm broken. We're broken in and outside. I know it's tough, but we're not up. We're out of no one. It's better leave the present instead of washing the tears off. I'll never leave past where me you keep the secrets. Not easy, people are not made for live in peace and happiness. And I'll be searching for the answers. Didn't see they were right there. I'm dreaming, but already knew you won't come home now. Talk is safe. That's the end of our road. I've learned to be enough for myself to find another way. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go?